Hey guys, welcome to my channel and it's MadSC here. Today I'm gonna show you how you can make a LDR like this one for free, and the setup light is also affect the LDR. By turning off that, you can see the multimeter shows the open circuit, and just by getting closer to a light source, it's gonna decrease its resistance to some 0.18 ohm. Yeah. And just like a normal LDR, it works just fine. This light is also affecting the LDR, but I can't turn off this because this is in my camera. So let's see how to make this one. You can see this is an isolated power supply, and this is a high voltage section and this is a low voltage section, and the optocoupler just sends signals between these two isolated supplies without interfering between the circuits. And you can find optocouplers inside any isolated power supply like cell phone chargers. These two are cell phone chargers. This is a DVD power supply, and you can also find them inside 12-volt adapters, etc. So what is inside these optocouplers? And as you can see, there is a circle mark on one side, and the circle mark is pin number 1. Pin number 1 and 2 is a simple LED, and pin number 3 and 4 is a simple LDR or a photo resistance. So today we're gonna remove this photo resistance. So remove it. So this is the optocoupler, and this is the LED section, and this is the LDR section. So we're gonna cut this in half to get that LDR. I don't cut it from totally half cause I don't need that LED section. So first I just cut from this LED section and slowly going to the LDR section because I don't want to damage the LDR. So we're just looking for this small hole, you can see, and from here the light goes in. So this is our LDR, and let's check it that it is okay or not. So let's check the LDR, and you can already see it in the intro. Just by getting closer to a light source, it's gonna decrease its resistance just like a normal LDR, but you can get it for free almost by recycling old circuits and optocouplers. So thanks for watching guys. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and keep watching.